everybody, my name is Jenny and today I want to show you how to solve the chemistry problem. The problem that I have is if 43.2 milliliter of 1.5 molarity of the acid complete reactly with sodium hydroxide. Okay, the question A, write the complete ionic and net ionic equation. So for A, I have my acid HClO4 reacts with sodium hydroxide, which is NaOH. Okay, my product I have in that is NaClO4 and water as a liquid. So it is my complete reaction. And when you look at in here, everything is balanced, so I don't need to balance anything else. Okay, write a complete ionic equation. So my ionic equation gonna be okay. As you can see in here, everything I break it out into the ionic, but the ion. But in here, water. The reason I cannot break it out because it is a liquid state, so I keep it. Okay, so that is my complete ionic equation, and my net equation. That I have in here is H and OH as a reactant and water as my product, because when you look at two sides of the reaction, I have Na on both sides, so it's not going to react. I have ClO4 in both sides, so I cancel it out. And the only thing that I have left is H, OH, and water. That's why I have the net ionic equation. B, what are the spectator ions in the equation? Okay, so the spectator ion that I have in here is ClO4 negative and NH positive. For C, what is the name of the reaction? In here that you can see that Na replace the position of H in the acid, and H replace the position of NH in the sodium hydroxide. So the name of the acid, the name of the reaction that I have in here is double replacement. Okay. For D, what is the mass of the water after the reaction? So I need to find the mass of the water in here. When you come back to the introduction of this question, I need to write down all of the number that I see in my question. Okay, so that the first one I have 43.2 milliliter as my volume of my acid, and the molarity of my acid is 1.5. And that's all I have for the number that I can see in my problem. Okay, to find the mass of the water, I need to find the mole of the water. And how can I find the mole of the water in the reaction when I already have the information for my acid in here? So based on the volume and the molarity of the acid, I can find the mole of that by using molarity equal to mole divided by volume. So my mole gonna equal to molarity times volume. Okay, in here that I have, what is my molarity of the acid is gonna be 1.5, and my volume is gonna be 43 times 2, because in here is milliliter. So I need to convert into liter by time it to 10 to the negative 3 liter to find the mole of that. Okay, so my mole of acid is going to be equal to 0.0648 mole of CHLO4. Okay, look at back for with the reaction in here. The ratio of my acid and water is 1:1. So the mole of my acid is going to be equal to the mole of the water. So I have the mole of water going to be equal to 0.0648 mole of acid times to 1 mole of water and divide by 1 mole of acid. It's gonna lead me to equal to 0.0648 mole of water. Okay, so in here it is the mole of the water that I need. And I already have the molar mass of the water, which equal to 18.006 gram. So it's really easy for me to find the mass of the water in the reaction. Everybody know that mole equal to mass divided by molar mass. Okay, so mass gonna equal to mole times to the molar mass. Okay, so the mass of the water gonna equal to my mole of the water, which is 0.0648 mole times to the molar mass of the water, which is 18.006 gram divided by 1 mole. So mole in here and mole above here is cancelled. So the only unit that I have left is gram. Okay, it's gonna lead me to 0.17 gram of water. Is the answer that I'm looking for, number D.